Good evening, I'm Kylan Mills. Thank you so much for joining us tonight on LEX 18 News at 11. 202 new cases of COVID-19 were confirmed today in the Commonwealth, bringing the total number of cases to 4,074. There were also 3 more deaths reported. That total is now 208. The governor says he believes we have plateaued, and with that comes a big step forward tomorrow. LEX 18's Eleanor Buckley has that story.
So tomorrow is the first day since this virus hit that, as opposed to adding restrictions, we are reopening some areas.
It's a big milestone for Kentucky. Come Monday, healthcare facilities can begin to reopen their doors. The governor is calling this step 1, and it's part of his Healthy at Work initiative. But there is a guidance that needs to be followed in order to reopen. PPE must be worn by everyone in the facility, and everyone must be screened for COVID-19 upon arrival. But Dr. Stephen Stack says if these steps can't be followed, they don't have to open on Monday.
We would probably prefer to wait even longer before lifting any restrictions. But we're trying to balance competing societal needs. People's need to get back to work, people's need to perform other important functions in society, people's need to pursue their lives.
Eventually, other businesses will follow suit in reopening. But again, the governor says when that happens, it will be different than before. And if a business has a positive case of COVID-19, they may have to shut down, at least for a period of time.
When someone tests positive, that person is going to have to self-quarantine, as are certain people as we do contact tracing around them. And so it's a new normal where people are going to get a call and say, you've been exposed to somebody. You can't show up for work tomorrow, even though your work is now reopened. You got to quarantine for a certain period of time.
In Franklin County, Eleanor Buckley, LEX 18 News.
About